Meet the self-propelled mulcher LV600 by Green Climber, a powerful machine built to handle some of the most difficult landscapes across the United States. Designed for steep hills, roadside areas, and dangerous locations, this remote-controlled machine allows operators to stay safely away from risky environments. Unlike traditional equipment, the LV600 can work in places where regular machines struggle. Its strong flail cutting system can clear thick grass, bushes, and unwanted vegetation with a cutting width of 1.3 meters, making it perfect for road maintenance, land management, and property cleanup. The machine also features adjustable tracks that extend for extra stability, helping it stay balanced on extreme slopes up to 60 degrees. With a low center of gravity, powerful engine, and high grip tracks, the LV600 can move confidently through rough and uneven terrain. From highway maintenance crews to land management professionals, this machine provides a safer and more efficient way to control vegetation. Meet the Rayco C275. This powerful forestry mulcher is designed to take on some of the toughest land clearing challenges across the United States. Built for strength, speed, and reliability, this machine helps forestry professionals clear thick vegetation, overgrown areas, and unwanted trees with impressive efficiency. The Rayco C275 is powered by a strong 275 horsepower CAD diesel engine, giving it the muscle needed to handle demanding jobs in forests, farms, and large properties. With a large fuel tank, it can keep working for long hours without frequent stops, helping operators finish projects faster. Despite its power, the C275 is built to be easy to control and move around different terrains. Its combination of performance and flexibility makes it a trusted choice for land management crews throughout America. From clearing paths to preparing land for new projects, this machine proves that modern forestry equipment can save time and effort while delivering incredible results. If you enjoy seeing powerful machines in action, make sure to like, subscribe. Meet the John Deere 772 GP. This powerful road grader is designed to handle some of the toughest construction and maintenance jobs across the United States. Built for strength, precision, and reliability, it helps create smoother roads, highways, and work sites with incredible accuracy. The machine comes with an advanced 6-wheel drive system that gives it excellent control and traction, even when working on challenging terrain. Its powerful engine delivers 275 horsepower, allowing it to push through heavy workloads while keeping performance steady. Weighing more than 20 tons, the John Deere 772 GP is a true powerhouse on American job sites. Its large blade and strong frame make it perfect for leveling land, shaping roads, and preparing surfaces for construction. With impressive fuel efficiency and long-lasting durability, this grader is built to keep working for hours without slowing down. From highway projects to large-scale construction operations, meet the Landpack Earth Compaction Machinery. This powerful equipment is built to transform the way large construction projects prepare the ground. Designed for strength, speed, and precision, Landpack machines help create stronger foundations by compacting different types of soil with incredible efficiency. Unlike traditional methods that may require extra time, water, and multiple passes, these machines use advanced impact technology to deliver deep and powerful compaction. With adjustable energy levels, they can handle a wide range of ground conditions, making them a reliable choice for demanding projects across the United States. From highways and industrial sites to major infrastructure developments, Landpack equipment helps crews achieve stable and durable ground faster. Its high-performance design allows operators to improve soil strength while reducing unnecessary work and resources. What makes this machine impressive is its ability to deliver consistent results even in challenging environments. Meet the Loftness Quick Trim. This powerful machine is changing the way tree trimming is done across the United States. Designed with the strength of a mini excavator and the reach of a professional tree cutter, it can handle tough jobs with incredible ease. Built with a reliable diesel engine, this compact machine delivers impressive power while using less fuel, helping operators work longer and more efficiently. Its lightweight design makes it easy to move around job sites, but don't let its size fool you. It is built to handle serious tree maintenance tasks. One of its biggest advantages is its ability to reach and trim trees from different angles, giving operators better control and precision. The comfortable adjustable seat also helps reduce fatigue during long hours of work. From maintaining roadsides to managing large properties, the Loftness Quick Trim gives tree care professionals a faster, smarter, and more efficient solution. Machines like this prove how modern technology is making difficult jobs easier every day. Meet the T1255E Direct Drive Terrain. This powerful mining machine is changing the way tough excavation jobs are done across the United States. Unlike traditional mining methods that rely heavily on drilling and blasting, this machine can directly cut through hard rock, helping mines reach areas that were once too difficult or unsafe to access. Built for extreme conditions, the T1255E uses advanced cutting technology to create smoother and more controlled excavation. It reduces dust, noise, and vibration, making operations safer for workers in nearby communities. Its massive cutting ability allows mining companies to increase production while saving valuable time and resources. The machine is powered by a strong Caterpillar engine that delivers impressive performance, even in the most challenging environments. Inside the climate-controlled cab, operators get a comfortable and advanced workspace with smart controls that help them make precise cuts with maximum efficiency. From rocky mountains to demanding mining sites, meet the BOMAG BC1173. This powerful landfill compactor is designed to take on some of the hardest working conditions in the waste management industry across the United States. Built with years of engineering experience, this machine delivers the strength and reliability needed for large landfill operations. The BOMAG BC1173 uses advanced technology to give operators better control, improved safety, and maximum efficiency. Its smart monitoring system helps protect the engine, while its high air intake system allows it to perform even in dusty landfill environments. Weighing more than 24,000 pounds, this machine combines impressive power with strong compaction performance. Its heavy-duty design helps compress waste efficiently, saving space and making landfill operations more productive. The machine also features bright LED working lights, a powerful electrical system, and durable components built for long hours of operation. From massive waste sites to demanding daily tasks. Meet the LoadEquip SW450. This massive swing-wheel low loader is built for one mission, moving extremely heavy loads safely and efficiently. With the ability to carry up to 450 tons, this machine is a true heavyweight in the world of transportation. Designed for demanding industries across the United States, the LoadEquip SW450 helps move giant equipment, industrial machines, and oversized components that regular transport vehicles simply cannot handle. Powered by a converted Caterpillar 793 mining truck, this machine combines incredible strength with precise control. Whether it is traveling through rough construction sites, mining areas, or challenging landscapes, the SW450 delivers reliable performance every time. Its strong design allows companies to transport huge loads while reducing delays and improving efficiency. From massive industrial projects to large-scale mining operations, this machine plays a vital role in keeping America's biggest industries moving. Meet the Kato PC 4000 excavator. This massive machine is built for some of the toughest excavation jobs across the world, especially in large-scale mining and construction projects in the United States. Powered by a huge 16-cylinder engine producing around 1,875 horsepower, this excavator has the strength to move enormous amounts of earth with incredible speed and precision. Its giant bucket can hold about 22 cubic meters of material, allowing it to dig, lift, and load massive amounts of rock and soil in a single operation. But power is not the only thing that makes the Kato PC 4000 special. Despite its enormous size, this machine is designed for smooth control and reliable operation. Its advanced hydraulic system helps operators handle heavy tasks safely and efficiently, while its strong electrical system keeps everything working consistently on demanding job sites. From mining operations to major construction projects, the Kato PC 4000 represents the future of heavy machinery. Meet the Liebherr R9800G6, one of the largest and most powerful mining excavators ever built. Designed for massive mining operations, this incredible machine is made to move huge amounts of rock and earth every single day. Its enormous size and powerful hydraulic system allow it to load giant mining trucks quickly, helping keep mining sites running at maximum efficiency. Built for the toughest jobs, The Liebherr R9800G6 combines raw strength with advanced technology. It features a high-performance engine that delivers exceptional power, while an optional electric drive gives mining companies another efficient operating choice. Despite weighing hundreds of tons, this giant excavator moves with surprising precision, making every scoop count. Inside the cab, operators enjoy a modern and comfortable workspace equipped with smart controls that improve accuracy and reduce fatigue during long shifts. Every part of this machine is engineered for durability. Meet the Chemrock EK140, a powerful drum cutter built to handle some of the toughest jobs in construction, mining, and land development across the United States. This impressive attachment is designed for excavators from 2 to 70 tons, giving operators the ability to cut through hard rock, concrete, and other challenging materials with incredible precision. Unlike traditional digging tools, the Chemrock EK140 uses a rotating cutting drum that carefully removes material while creating a smoother and more controlled result. With a strong 140 kilowatt power system, this machine delivers serious cutting performance while remaining practical and easy to operate. It can generate massive torque to break through demanding surfaces, making it ideal for road projects, underground work, quarry operations, and large-scale construction sites. One of its biggest advantages is accuracy. Instead of creating unnecessary damage, the Chemrock EK140 allows workers to remove exactly what they need, saving time and improving efficiency.